How to verify your Bybit account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bybit, and in this video I'll guide you on how you can complete the ID verification on Bybit. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through quick and easy through this video. Whether you want to complete the ID verification through the Bybit web or on the app, the process is similar. Simply open a Bybit app if you have the app and log into your account. If you haven't yet verified, you'll get the verification option right there on the screen. As you can see, I haven't verified and it says complete verification to deposit and trade. You want to simply tap on verify now and then go ahead through the prompts. The first things first, you want to enter in your proof of identity. You'll have to submit a copy of your identity verification document along with a selfie that clearly shows your face. Then you want to go through identity assessment. This step will begin immediately after your proof of identity has been successfully verified, and once you have done so, you'll be verified. This is how you can easily verify your Bybit account. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave comments down below if you have any further issues.